guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great and my new baby is arrived. My stand mixer has come and this I'll put the links for the stand mixer in the description. Go and get it for all the small bakers who are home baking and trying to invent do basically give deliveries at your home kitchen, make some good amazing cakes, and this will really sort out your life and your energy. So the ingredients for this recipe will be below, but firstly, what's the ingredient and what's the thing what we are making today? Today we are making all-time favorite banana bread. Banana bread is really amazing to have at your snack, your midnight snack, basically your breakfast. Anything with a good cup of coffee is really great. I'm gonna use walnuts and chocolate chips also to my recipe. So I'll just make the setup side and I'll get with all the ingredients showing you everything. So we would require butter, there's walnuts, dark chocolate chips, 2 eggs. Substitute for the egg I'll mention in the description. We have 1 cup of caster sugar and half a cup of brown sugar. I have taken 4 large ripe bananas, flour, baking powder, baking soda, vanilla essence and a loaf tin which I have buttered. I have not lined it up with baking paper today. You can do it at your kitchen, depends on your mood. I'm not in a mood of lining it today. So we'll just set it aside and show you. So firstly we'll mash up our bananas. You can use overripe bananas also. That will be very great. I'm just using normal ripe which will get super ripe in a day. But I'm really longing for these banana breads. So we'll quickly just give it normal mash. Do not mash it too much. Our new mixer will do the needful. Just breaking it into small cubes, pieces, so it's easy. Now as the bananas are mashed, I'll preheat my oven at 190 degrees Celsius for roughly 15 minutes. So till that time our batter also will be ready. So our bananas are mashed. We'll start a stand mixer. So we'll add our butter to it first. So it'll really make things easy, guys, and this is not that expensive as well. This is good for a small home baker. So to this butter, we'll just cream up our butter first, then we'll go accordingly with our ingredients. Cream it at 1. It's working so nice. And this is really a good mixer. I have not taken a too expensive one. Just a normal small regular one, which will be good for a small kitchen and also a small baker. So our butter is creamed. We'll add our sugar. And cream it again. give a scrape so that there's nothing remaining down. We'll add our eggs one at a time. We'll add our second egg. Just give a scrape. So now we'll add vanilla essence. Our mashed bananas. And give it a mix again. This mixer actually auto speeds it, so you do not need to change the settings again and again. It will depend on our stand mixer basically, not him, and it will automatically high up its speed, low up its speed. You do not need to do anything to it. See? It's high up its speed. I do not want to mash all our bananas. I need a few lumps in them. So the batter is looking good. It's time to add our flour. Half at a time. And with this flour we'll add our nuts. I'll add half of it, more than a half, and keep few for the top. give a scrape. We'll add our rest of our flour. A baking soda. I'll mention this also in my description. This is the best baking soda I have ever used. We'll add around 1 teaspoon of it. And also our baking powder, half teaspoon. Just give a scrape. We'll add half of the chocolate chips. And just give it last mix. That's it. Our batter is ready. I'll just clean up the decks and show you what I'm going to do next. So my batter is nice. If you think your batter is too thick, you can always add a bit of milk just to balance the mixture. Any which ways, banana bread batters always be a bit thicker, on a thicker side. So we'll put it in a pan. I love big fat banana breads. I don't like the small ones and which just are too small for me. Just give a tap. We put our nuts on the top. You can also put banana slices. That also will be great. And the chocolate chips. Banana and chocolate is a really best combination. So this guy will go in the oven for roughly 45 to 50 to 55 minutes. Also depends on your oven at 190 degree. So I'll show you once this bad boy is out of the oven and it's looking pretty. So guys, my banana breads are out and it's looking really damn pretty. I'll show you the close up. It has such a perfect finishing of the banana. There are some walnut pieces, then there is a chocolate chip. This is a really fulfilling, stomach full bread which you can have one slice also and you're good to go. So I hope you like this video. Like if you like it, share, subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for amazing recipes. I'll also link the Amazon my stand mixer which I have taken from Amazon. I'll put the link down below so you can go check on it as well. So stay tuned. Bye.